Show with Retro Manufacturing. I'm here with George from Unbroken with his beautiful Ford F-Series truck. Tell us a little bit about the truck, George.
Well, what we got here is a 1974 Ford F-250. We decided to go with, make it look like an old Raptor, so we dubbed it the Graptor. We try to keep a lot of classic mixed with new technology on it. It's running an old, let's see, an FE 390 in it, fuel injected, and it's made it to a 6R80 transmission. And we got that together with Speed Gems and US Shift, which is some of our sponsors that we have in the truck. We went with the 4-inch lift from Skyjacker, and then we ended up wrapping the truck, which turned out pretty nice actually, as our first wrap that we've ever done. And then the interior stayed really classic. The Retro provided the radio for us, and I do have to say that the quality is outstanding. We love the sound. It fits the look that we were going for inside, which we wanted to look a little modern outside, but when you get in, we wanted to take you back to the 70s, and that's the look that it gave us. The sound quality is awesome and super easy to put in. I didn't have to cut anything. It just went together so easy. It was beautiful. I really love the way it turned out.
We appreciate that. Yeah, and that's exactly what we do. We make classic car stereos that look period correct to take you back to that era, but sound like new audio that you would buy today. So that way you can stream your Bluetooth, you get HD radio, SiriusXM, all the bells and whistles. We thank you a bunch, George.
No, thank you.
We appreciate you bringing the truck to the show.